Xander, what you doing? Hi, sweet pea. What you doing? We're gonna let you free. Whoa. Whoa. This guy's got huge. Xander. I'm gonna let you free. Give a hand. Oh, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. This thing doesn't want to come free. Oh, we got you free. Hang.
Say my name.
I'm recording
Say
your
my name.
son.
Say my name.
Xander.
All within 10 minutes, right, buddy?
I'm doing a recording, Nathan.
You guys the man.
Xander. His eyes are wide open. Nathan, can you help me out with this?
Crazy.
Hi.
He's like, wow.
Hi, baby boy.
Normal.
Hi. Thank you. Honey, come on. Hi. Hi, what's that face? The hands are free. Xander. Oh. Oh, what you doing? Oh, what's that face? What's that face? Hi. Oh, you're so cute. Hi, baby. You gonna say hi to everybody back home? Say hi, Mimi. Hi, Papa. Hi, Grandma Harper. Hi, Papa Harper. And say, Caleb, hope you're doing well. Yeah? Hi, Isaiah and Ben, Brianna. Aunt Bree and Uncle Ben. Aunt Bailey. Aunt Tracy and Uncle Eric. And Uncle Brian and Aunt Carrie. And Mila and David. Oh, there's Dad. Honey, can you prop him up a little bit more?
What's up?
He looks like he's struggling.
He's being a gangster. He likes to lean.
Oh.
Whoa. Daddy's got ice cream cold hands.
He doesn't like Dad.
Ice cream cold hands.
You can hold him, honey.
There you go, buddy.
Oh, Dad, your cold hands.
It's Daddy's fault. I'm sorry.
Dad.
Let's prop you up, shall we? That's why, crazy boy.
I know. Oof.
There you go. Much better?
Hi.
He was saying hi, too.
Say hi, everybody. Oh, that looks like an angry face. Xander. Xander Kiyoshi. You gonna do anything, honey? Who do you have on you? Who is that? What does your shirt say? Mickey! Mickey Mouse! Yay! So you like Mickey. Oh, we're looking around. Oh, we're starting to slouch. Daddy, can you help us out?
Uh-oh.
You didn't take him out of the swaddle me, honey. Oh! Oh! Oh, we're about to go for a ride. Dad's cold hands. Uh-oh. 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 Woo! There we go. Oh! Oh, there's cold feet.
Whoa.
Oh, Dad!
Dad? Dad? It's Dad's fault.
He was perfectly fine.
I know.
Oh.
Relax. Thank you.
Oh.
You're on candid camera. You gotta be nice. I'm sorry.
Oh. Baba, you can't cry on camera. Hey. Oh, that's...
Oops.
You
looked like you were having a great time there for a minute.
Yeah, he was. You took the pillow away. He likes being propped up a little bit more than... Oh. Hey, Bubba.
See, I fixed it too.
Hi. Your beautiful eyes. Don't cry.
God bless
Bless
you.
you.
God bless you.
He sneezes a lot.
He's going to the right.
Oh, we're leaning. Got that gangster lean, huh?
He likes to lean. Lean with it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it.
What's that face for? Oh,
Wow.
that was sad. Oh, baby boy, that was sad. You gonna smile? Ah. Honey, can you help? There we go. Bless you. Bless you. So where's Dad? Where'd he go? There he is. There he is. Oh, oh, not happy about it.
I didn't move you this time. I didn't even touch you. Hey.
Oh,
Hey.
Xander.
I'm making you sad. I'm sorry.
Xander. Say, Dad, I want a kiss. That's what he said. Dad. Oh, oh, oh.
Relax.
I think he's kind of in a weird position. Can you pop him up a little bit more? I'm not sure he wants that either. Xander. Hey. Xander.
And I hit my ear. I got a ringing in my ear.
Xander. Calm down. Calm down. It's the binky.
Relax.
It's the binky. Where's the Xander, where's Nemo?
3, 2, 1.
Quick. Oh, he's not happy. He doesn't want Nemo. Oh, wow, better. Oh, better. Oh. Oh.
Ah, Daddy caught it. Whoa. 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 Whoa, whoa, whoa. There you go. See? There you go.
See, Dad, I do it by myself.
There you go.
I do it by myself.
You're on candid camera.
Oh.
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 Oh, he's done. He's done. No more binky. Okay. Whoa. 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 Relax. Relax. Yeah. Well, hello.
I didn't want to get
Hey. Hey. Yeah. You're okay. You're okay. Hey.
Xander, I think we're done with the camera, right?